guys, welcome to my vlog. Look, I make raspberry jam. Yan. Alam mo, you need to do is, sorry, I speak Tagalog again. You need to do is wait until that, it's look like sticky and, more cigarettes. No, I'm joking. It's look like, ready, okay? It's take maybe 30 minutes. You need to put sugar and, smash like that because some of that is not smashed yet. See? It's still round and you need to do is like that. Like, you're making smashed potatoes but this is fruits, okay? This is raspberry. You need to do like that and then after a while, maybe 30 minutes, you have a raspberry jam. And you know what, guys? When I was high school, I discovered how to make jam. And first, I made in, I think it's a THA subject, if I remember. We make santol jam and it tastes really good. To all Filipinos that I know that you have santol or you sell santol, try to make santol jam. What we call that, seeds or yeah, that round inside. It's only skin inside, if you remove the skin and then yeah, in the middle you can chop that small pieces until it's look like small size of slicing, and then put hot water, sugar, and then put that santols. It's, yeah, like what I said, santol. Okay, and then try to boil that until it's ready to be like a jam. You know what, guys? It tastes really good, and I'll never forget that. Since high school, that one of my groups made Santos jam. Okay, yun lang, guys. Gusto ko lang ikwento sa inyo mga nakakaraan ng buhay ko. At yun nga yun, guys. Ito yun. Ito naman ay iba, raspberry jam. At you know why? This is from our garden. Nice, right? If you have plants, you don't need to buy because normally if you buy this, it's expensive too. So much better that you have a plant, but it's not me who planting outside. Don't expect that it's me, okay? Maybe I plant some of other kind of plant, but not this kind of plant because there's there's a stick that it's hurting your skin. So I cannot hold that. It's like more the rose. There's a what do you call that? Tinik-tinik in Tagalog. I cannot remember in English, but honest is I didn't search what is that in English, but maybe later I will tell you what is that in English. By the way, guys, yeah, I'm waiting that my raspberry is done. That's it. Bye. Have a nice day. Namiss niyo ba ako? Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a nice day and God bless you all. Okay? Bye.